2,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Tennessee. Nashville and Memphis still the biggest hotspots in the state. The virus has killed 290 Tennesseans. More than 309,000 people have been tested, and more than 9,200 Tennesseans have recovered from the virus. While Tennessee businesses begin to reopen, local researchers are rushing to find a cure for COVID-19. As News 2's Stevie Cotton reports, some patients are positively responding to a new treatment.
On Wednesday, those who survived COVID-19 will voluntarily have their plasma collected. That was a little over 3 weeks ago.
I want to say we've had about 50 participants at this point.
And some of the plasma from those participants has now been shared with 11 Vanderbilt patients battling COVID-19.
I do think that we're going to be able to have some initial evaluations earlier than would normally be expected.
In addition to monitoring the patient response to plasma, and the next part of Vanderbilt's Pass It On study, Passive Immunity Trial of Nashville, researchers will also be looking for a correlation between the symptoms that survivors reported and the antibodies present in their plasma.
It's going to help us understand people's responses to COVID a little bit more and hopefully help us understand the disease more.
It will also help answer a looming question. How useful is plasma?
Are there certain subtypes of patients who it helps more, patients at different phases of the disease? Are there certain levels of antibodies that we need to have in convalescent plasma for it to be beneficial?
News 2 has heard from COVID survivors in the mid-state who say plasma helped them recover.
Maybe just a couple of days after that I started getting improvements.
I felt like $1 million after I got that. So, and then they retested me 2 times, free and clear. And I'm sure that plasma helped as well as tons of antibiotics.
Now, researchers will try to find a definitive link.
These are all questions that, won't be answered immediately, but they're all questions that get bantered around.
CB Cotton, News 2.
Vanderbilt says they could still use plasma donations, especially from those with blood type AB. We've got details on how you can donate at WKRN.com.